Alright, Vitality at Sea, this is the fitness centre, and we're just going to have a quick gander through here, if we can pick up some space. I guess there's a little restaurant on the side, so we'll go this way. So get yourself a healthy snack, protein stuff. There's the salon. Get yourself looking pretty. And then we'll go into the fitness centre. The waiting area. I'll move it through here pretty quickly because it's the fitness centre. I'll just walk around. Just see how big it is. It's going to suit all your fitness needs, I suppose. So you can figure out what all of these are. Well, this is the free weight side. I think we'll be coming around the corner and heading out now. Oh no, we're going to go back this way. Well, another look at the free weights and activation, wherever this is. Oh, these are good. These funny crafted. Oh, there's me. Hi, how are you? You doing okay? Let's have a look. Well, David, there we go. Well, this is Blue Planet Traveller, another dialogue around the ship. Hope you enjoyed it, and come and see us sometime. Bye now. And that's about all. Catch you next time, guys.